Hi and welcome to Heiko of All Trades. As you can see here, I have a suitcase with broken wheels. So the wheels are worn out, they won't turn nicely anymore, so the whole suitcase, it's not very comfortable to move around. First things first, we have to remove the old wheel and we have to cut through the axle. Why? The suitcase manufacturers, they don't want you to replace the wheel, so they don't use screws, they use the kind of rivet style axis, so you have to cut it. You have to block the wheel. I do it with a pair of pliers here, but you can also use some wedges or however you want to block it. Cut it with a hacksaw or with a little angle grinder, but make sure that if you cut it, cut through the wheel. Do not cut between the wheel and the cage, so that you prevent yourself from damaging the cage. Cut through it, remove the axis, remove the old wheel, done. To find the right replacement wheels, there are 3 dimensions you need. First, the diameter of your wheel. If you do not find the exact old diameter of your original wheels, take a little bit smaller ones, fine. Then the thickness of the wheel. The wheel has to fit into the cage. You can't take thicker wheels, but a little bit thinner, as I did here, no problem, because you can add 2 washers and that's it. Fine. And there's one critical measurement you really have to stick to, and this is the length of the replacement axis. You have to find the right axis to fit into the cage and to mount the wheel safely. This is very critical, and this is the thing where you can't go plus or minus. This is where you have to find the right axis. Finally, to prevent the screws from coming loose, I added some thread locking fluid. And that's basically it. That's the full repair. Very easy, very cheap, everybody can do, and you do not have to buy a new suitcase. I hope you liked that video and found it helpful. Give me thumbs up if so, and I hope I see you next time around here. Happy crafting!